Hello, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to go on the sweeter side of things. I've done a lot of savouries, done a lot of meal prep, but we're going to look at dessert today. And what better way to start than with the fudgiest brownies you've ever had in your life, and they'll keep you on track. So make sure you slam that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll get to the best damn protein brownies you've ever eaten in your life. Let's have a little look at what we're going to need. More importantly than anything, you need a weighing scales with this, because it's very, very particular. You weigh everything properly, otherwise it's going to mess up the whole recipe. So make sure you got a weighing scales. What we've got here, 25 grams of plain flour, or you can use all-purpose flour. We're going to use 2 grams of baking powder. We're going to use 40 grams of your choice of protein. I've got chocolate here, but vanilla works fine. We're going to use 50 grams of Greek style yogurt. We're going to use 13 grams of cocoa powder, 1 egg, 50 grams of sugar-free syrup. You can use any flavour you want. I like butterscotch because it's a little bit sweeter. Then we've got 30 grams of vita fibre, another really, really important ingredient just because it bumps up that fibre content, but you could use sugar-free sweeteners as well. We're going to use 15 grams of chocolate chips, 10 grams of fudge chunks, and then we're going to use about a cup's worth of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. And once you've got all of the ingredients weighed out, chuck all the dry ingredients into a bowl and give it a good mix. I forgot to add the protein powder, but that's the whole point of why we've got this on weighing scales as well. We can just add it straight into the pot. I just want to add your chocolate chips to the microwave. We can add the wet ingredients, and that's why it's important to have this on the weighing scales. I'm going to add the Greek yogurt first. 47, spot on 50. And then your sugar-free syrup, again 50 grams. 92, 97, a little bit more, 98, spot on. And just your egg, cup's worth of the vanilla extract, boom, and give it a good mix. You can take a lot of effort, but you just gotta keep on going at it, mixing it up, and eventually you'll have a good brownie batter. That's the sort of consistency you're looking for there. Again, not too sticky. Just add the melted chocolate chips. Obviously make sure you get all of this chocolatey goodness in there. Give that a good stir through. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. And then finally, you can add those fudge pieces in as well. Use some 1 spray just to grease this up. And there we go. Obviously, you don't have to use a cake tin like this. You can use whatever you want to use. Muffin tray, just something you can put in the oven safely. And then just gradually add this mixture into the tin. So it's going to be very sticky. You're probably going to need 2 forks to do it, just to make sure you get all of that goodness in there. Just give it a good spread across the bottom. A good trick with this is to spray whatever utensil you're using, just so the mixture doesn't stick. And then get it nice and spread evenly. You got it looking something like that. It's time to add to the oven. I need to put it in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how you want them cooked. If you want them nice and gooey to eat out of the pan, 8 minutes, 10 minutes if you want to leave them cool as a snack. And 10 minutes has passed and it's done. We're just going to leave these cool for a little bit and then cut them into squares, and then I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it, the gooeyest, chocolatiest, even if that is a word, best brownies you'll ever have in your life. And the macros are insane, so you can keep on your goals while you have them. Just look at them, beautiful. Someone's already had a little chomp of this and it wasn't me, but you got to make these for yourself. Taste test as always. Got a little bit of cream on you, reduced fat as always. They're actually amazing. Just wow. I'd be lying if I wasn't proud of myself with this recipe, and you have to make them. So if you're gonna eat them like I have right here, as you can see, you get a big chunk of brownie there. It's about 140 calories per slice here. You've got 3.5 grams of fat. It'll be 11 grams of carbs, 11.5 grams of protein, and a massive 9 grams of fibre. So really, really easy to keep on your goals. They're gonna keep you full. They're gonna satisfy that craving. And what more do you want? Just do this recipe. You know what to do. If you want more fudgy, chocolatey deliciousness, then smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week.